Hello, Pre-Prep. Today I'm going to be reading you A Busy Day for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet, catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck, cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, hum, 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 tweet, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your tongue. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with Mum. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Twitter-woo, woo, woo. Thank you, Pre-Prep, and I hope you enjoyed the story. Now, why don't you think of what your favourite bird is?